Hello to all my friends out there. And so I had orange juice and I froze it because I thought, wow, I'm not eating 7 oranges. So what I made was, wow, it just made one nice smoothie. And I didn't demonstrate in my blender because if any of you saw that blender mishap, I thought maybe my blender was so I made an orange Julius, and let me taste it. I will tell you. I think this was one of the original smoothies. Okay, I had about, here's how I made it, and it's really good. I had about 1 cup orange juice and I froze it. I used 1 cup water, 1/3 cup powdered milk, 1/8 cup sugar because my orange juice was pretty sweet, and about 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla, no ice cubes. And I just blended it up. And so this is a good use of the instant milk. You know, the dry milk. I bought this at Walmart. And the reason I used a little less vanilla is because I used Mexican vanilla. And then, you know, I had a little sugar, so I used that. And then I had some cold water. That's the water I went to get today. So I think a smoothie could be made, and this is good. Let me give you a close-up. Here's my orange Julius. I'm very proud of this. Anyway, I think you could use, let me get over here, 1 cup any kind of juice. You know, you could use fresh, you could use frozen, but if you don't freeze it solidly like I did, that's why I wasn't sure if my blender could handle it. 1 cup water, 1/3 cup evaporated milk, you know, some sugar to taste, and some vanilla. So, okay, here is my orange Julius. You know, try this one. This is good. Okay, God bless you all.